Hello all, in this video we are going to see how we can open an image using PIL, that is pillow library, and convert that particular pillow image in NumPy array. So let's jump into the Jupyter lab and let's get started. So here I am in my Anaconda prompt and I have typed the Jupyter lab command and my Jupyter lab is now opened. I will open a new Python 3 notebook here. So starting we will import some important libraries just like NumPy, PIL and matplotlib. And now we can use our inline magic function, that is matplotlib inline. Now the libraries are successfully imported. Now we can go ahead and open our image. So I will use an image of a puppy. So in order to open image from PIL, that is pillow library, you have to just write a code like this: img is equal to image dot open. Here you go. And my image name is puppy.jpg. So here I have opened the image. As you can see, if I type the type of image, it's a PIL JPG image, and you can use that image here. So this is the image, but this image is not yet converted into ND array, so we cannot perform any manipulation on the top of image. Just a plugin that is used by the pillow library, that is JPG plugin. In order to convert this particular plugin into an ND array, we can use NumPy function. So img to array equal to np dot as array function we'll use here. So if you press shift tab, you can able to see the as array function, and we'll pass our PIL image. So if I type the image to array variable here, you can see the image is converted into an ND array, and you can see the type of a array or shape of array as 570 cross 800 cross 3. So here 3 represents the channel, how many channels we have in our image. So right now if you see, this is a colored image, and if you have the colored image, then we have a 3 channels, that is red, green and blue. Going ahead, let's show this image into using matplotlib imshow function. So using plt.imshow, I have shown this particular image into a matplotlib imshow function. Now what you can do, you can chalk out the different color channels from this image. Suppose we have 3 channels, red, green and blue. So what we can do, we can put green and blue channel as 0, and we'll convert this particular colored image into a red image. In order to do this, what you need to do, you have to place some slashing operation on this ND array. So first I will create a copy of this array using imgarray dot copy function. Once the copy is done, I will slice the particular array using slicing operation, and I will put the green channel as 0. Copy this particular and I will put the blue channel also 0. So here 0 represents the red channel, 0 is the red channel, 1 is the green channel, and 2 is the blue channel. So what I have done, I have placed wherever we have the green and blue channel as value in ND array as 0. Successfully executed, and now we will show our image using IamShow function. Here you can see we have only one channel, that is a red channel, available in our image. All other channels like blue and green are put indexed as 0. So this is about this video, and I will see you in the next time. Until then, goodbye.